Hey, I got you some designer like Louis Vuitton kicks. I got you Gucci gang, 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 Gucci gang.
When they say that when a child washes his hands clean, he dines with elders. You have washed your hands clean. Now you can dine with kings and queens.
That's what's up.
Chikucha.
No, what's it? Chikuchas and shit. Hey, Gucci gang, Gucci over. Papa, you're so.
You are a priest.
You're so.
You are a priest. Let us go inside.
First and first, I just want to acknowledge y'all. I want to acknowledge y'all. What did I say?
I want to acknowledge y'all.
What did I say?
I want to
acknowledge y'all. You understand, for believing in me. Convince me to go through this marital process. I'm telling you. Do you know the song you got? I roll with the likes of Beyonce, Nicki Minaj, name it, superstar status models. I roll with role models, Dad. I roll with role models. United States. Give me some respect, Dad.
Son, listen. This is our tradition. And it cannot be abolished because of your ignorance. This is how I married your mother. Someday you're going to be the king of this kingdom. Is this how you're going to rule the kingdom? You better wake up. Get out of my sight.
Daddy, you just said to get out of your sight.
Yes.
I swear to God, if you try to be United States, I'm going to whoop your ass.
Whoop your ass. Where did I get this tenacity from? You better wake up. Get out of my sight.
Daddy, you just said to get out of your sight.
Yes.
I swear to God, if you try to be United States, I'm going to whoop your ass.
Whoop your ass. Where did I get this tenacity from?
Yo, what's up, pretty? How you doing? How you doing?
I'm doing fine.
How you doing?
I'm doing fine.
How you doing?
I'm doing fine.
Now come hop in my ride.
I'm sorry to disrespect you, but I can't.
I said come rolling and roll your ride so you can feel good.
I'm sorry, I can't.
You see the problem I have with you primitive girls in this video? Cause y'all are low behind. Y'all are low behind. Y'all are low behind. Hop in a royal ride so I can give you some trips. And right here you're telling me some bullshit. You know what? Roll with your 10 toes. That's what you live for. Roll till you die. Nigga, roll these shit and shit. Roll your 10 toes. That's all you live for. Your 10 toes. Retarded.
Yeah, you know what's sweet.
Hey! Stickers! Hey! Oh my God! Lord of mercy! What's going on right here? Look at the stickers! Is this what you want me, man? Oh my God! Lord of mercy, Jesus Christ! He's just nice. He just likes like a king too. Like a king too. Look at the life that I've been told. I'm the last real nigga alive, and that's official. Yeah, that's the girl right there. That's the girl I want to marry. That's the girl I told you about. That's the girl. That's she got a big booty. She got a booty. She got a big booty. She got a booty. That's the girl I want to marry. That's she right there.
No, I cannot marry you.
That's a natural booty right there. That's a natural booty. My friend. Bobby, what is it? Natural booty. My friend. My big booty. Igwe. You want a big booty. Where you going? My prince. Where you going? My prince. What you doing for? Shit.
My prince, come down. You don't understand.
You little man. Look at you. You don't ever get tall in your life. My prince, what happened? Listen, I want you to get that booty for me. Hit you this way. I'm gonna 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 hit you this way.
My sweet potato, Bobby. Of all the women, now you are one. You're wasting a one.
So, you mean God decided to bless this family through Bobby? And she's playing table tennis with her destiny.
I don't know what this useless Okada boy has done to my daughter. Maybe he has bewitched her. Eh? Hey!
It's such a shame to have her as my sister. But don't worry, Mama. I will make that boy pay for all the pains he has caused this family.
Exactly. Because I don't think this is ordinary. Maybe it's time we go spiritual in this case.
No. Far from that, Mama. See, I have a plan. Don't come to me. What's your mom?
I came for the money, sir.
What money? What money you talking about? What money? Have you ever heard of a 9mm before?
9mm.
Have you ever heard of a 9mm before? Have you ever heard of a 9mm before? Stay till I die. 9mm before. Stay till I die. Have you ever heard of a 9mm before? Stay till I die. 9mm before. Listen, I got some 9mm ready to go off any minute, so you feel it. Because of the law, I have to conceal it. But if you fuck around, you could make me reveal it. Hey, I got my 9mm ready to go off any minute, so you feel it. Nigga, fuck you did to say. Fuck one. Yo, what's up, pretty? How you doing? How you doing?
I'm doing fine.
How you doing?
I'm doing fine.
How you doing?
I'm doing fine.
Now come hop in my ride.
I'm sorry to disrespect you, but I can't.
I said come roll in and roll your ride so you can feel good.
I'm sorry I can't.
You see the problem I have with you primitive girls in this video? Cause y'all are low behind. Y'all are low behind. Y'all are low behind. Hop in a royal ride so I can give you some trips. Right here you're telling me some bullshit. You know what? Roll with your 10 toes. That's what you live for. Roll till you die. Nigga, roll these shit and shit. Roll your 10 toes. That's all you live for. Your 10 toes. Retarded.
Yeah, you know what's sweet to the sweet another. No be everything you want to go get you. Take a easy, brother, not too easy. All the ladies take a easy. Take a easy. Our precept at Agonu. It's the Americana swag. Precept at Agonu. Americana football. People speak Oyibo. Precept at Agonu. Oyibo football.
Good afternoon, my sexy prince.
I hope you're not referring to me, you retarded bitches. Huh? So who you trying to entice with this your stretchers and shit? Look at your stretch Mac. You thought I roll girls like you? Huh? You know they stay till I die. The reason I roll with Beyonce, Rihanna, Nicki Minaj, those are the caliber that I roll with. Don't entice me with your dirty shit. You're so dirty. 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 Don't roll with this and shit. You wanna entice me with your dirty ass and shit. Retarded ass, bitch ass and shit. You ain't been nowhere in your life. You ain't been nowhere in your life. I went out with Mazel though.
Is it for the girl?
Yeah, we went to, you know, mama, this girl's driving me all like crazy. She's driving me so nuts. You know what I'm saying? But at the end of the day, we got talking, so it's cool. Yeah, it's cool. I'm trying to convince the mom though.
And
sit down, man.
And how did it go?
Yeah, Papa, everything went well. You know what I'm saying? I promised the girl's mom. You know what I'm saying? I told her, if you can make your daughter be my wife, I'll make you shine till infinity. I'm a real new on my mama.
Nice one.
I'm telling you.
In that case, I have to go and say her myself.
Very necessary. Very necessary. Very necessary.
Let me make her understand the importance of your request.
That is why you're my mama. That is why I love you. That's why I can die for you.
You are the best.
Hey, yo, straight up, man. All this drink and stuff wasting time, man. Don't you know what the thing? Don't you know the fuck I am?
Sorry, boss.
Don't you know the fuck?
Sorry.
Mary? On the contrary.
Greetings, Your Highness.
How are you?
Fine.
Not actually. This is who I'm talking about.
She?
Swear to God, Dad. Swear to God.
Who is she?
I'm so emotional right now. I've never been in my life. So emotional.
Wow.
Would you marry me?
Yes, I will.
Hi! Wow!
That's good.